Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is a breakdown because I think I don't do a video for a week, I think. So just for update the channel, I will record the breakdown I had from the trade I had today. Was a clean shot. As you can see, the 4-hour zones are very precise. This is why I don't trade just the 5 minutes alone like my hold times, because back then like higher time frame analysis for me was like a mess, but nowadays I just confirm that if you have like a higher time frame to use in confluence with your lower time frame is much better. And I talked on the previous videos about the 50 pips increased from the 25. As you can see here on my journal, this amount is plus 10%, 8 wins, 3 losses, 72% win rate. So as you can see here, I increased from, for example, here. After that, I just had 1 loss, and from the test I had on January and February, the stats increased a lot for this year, okay? Because as you can see, the candles are so big on 5 minutes. A small candle is just like many pips. And look at the sniper of this entry. Price tapped on the 4-hour reject like price did before here, and price have a clean range to the left, just with many gaps for price to fill. Okay, so what price did, zone to zone and zone to zone. Okay, these 4-hour zones are very good, and I like to use like big zones because I don't like to trade inside the consolidation, just in clean range. Okay, clean trading range. As you can see here, you have like clean candles, not a consolidation like this or like this. This is a mess trading inside these zones. And yeah guys, so I will break down now the trade. Let me see what I did here. Yeah, like that. So my zones are basically like this. I will draw for you guys. So this wick to this body, and I just saw price rejecting more below, so I drag to this body. Okay, so this body to this wick, as you can see on the left, price rejected here. Okay, and price here consolidate, etc., and so near to tap here and reject. So this is a nice zone. And for sales, most of the guys will just use this. Okay, but as you can see, price didn't tap here and just go up. And why? Because this is like too small for the 4-hour. Okay, you can use like this, but I prefer to cover like this, because if you do like this or like this, what will you do? You will like maybe use this on here. So between here is a consolidation, so have no logic to put risk selling here, because imagine price closed below. Let me see, in this case didn't close, but imagine you have a close and next you put a retest and price just boom against you. Why? Because price is like inside this huge consolidation. Okay, this is why I like to use more than just like 2 refined zones. Okay, so I had these 2 zones for today. Price is just like zone to zone, zone to zone, zone to zone, zone to zone, zone to zone. It's like consolidating here, but inside of it you have a clean trading range. Okay, so let's go to the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes, as you can see, we trade 930 candle, and yeah, we have in this open manipulating to the downside, taking the liquidity of this candle here, taking the liquidity of here was so near, but yeah, as you can see, this is a manipulation candle. Price sweep this low and just closed above. This is a nice sign. Price reject the 4-hour zone with many strong push. Okay, many buyers here, and I had 2 zones for buy today. was this one here. Okay, this zone here, and yeah, basically this one, because this is the only one we have above the moving average. And as you can see here, price break and closed here above, and look how clean this trade was. The retest was like so sniper. 50 pips. Okay, the 25 today will work too, as you can see, in just TP in just one candle, and the 50 pips was 3 candles. Okay, but yeah, clean shot. Yeah, guys, this month is going very good. We have more this tomorrow and the next week, so let's see how this month will finish. But until now, price is going very well, and as you can see, the increase of the 50 pips SL, etc., was a very nice thing to do, because I see like huge candles. And yeah, the thing is, never change your strategy. Choose one, but instead of changing the strategy, change just a few rules to adapt the condition markets. Okay, because imagine these 50 pips in this here can work, but on the next year maybe the size of the candles will be small, so I can maybe return to the 25 or make it like 30. So we need to adapt. Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. This is a quick recap of the strategy. I went a more deep about the 4-hour zones, because I see some guys doing these zones like a bit small. But yeah, these zones are, this is the main thing of the strategy basically. Okay, and the moving average is like crucial for this strategy. It's like, yeah, top 1, top 2, top 3. This is just like 3 steps. 4-hour higher time frame zones to know the roadblocks. Next, the moving average bias and break and retest. Just 3 steps. So simple. So see you guys, and let's finish this month very good. If I have a win tomorrow, I don't need like the full win, but if I have just 0.7 R, I think I will close manually when I see in profit like near to $80, because I just need 75. So let's see, to pass the account I bought for the 1 hour with the 5K. Okay, so see you guys.